Hey, have you ever heard of site reliability engineering, often called SRE? It's become something of a holy grail at Microsoft, and trust me, you don't want to misunderstanding it. Basically, it's a blend of engineering, operations, and business principles, all rolled into one smooth approach for creating and developing scalable and highly reliable software systems. Whether you are new to this or curious about how it works, I think we can dive in and make sense of it. At Microsoft, SRE has really taken shape as a way to balance between being cost-efficient and ensuring the reliability of services. Let me explain a bit more. Imagine you are working with a cloud system that's down, or if you are an end user, noticing services frequently going down. It's frustrating, right? That's where SRE steps in, aiming to keep such disruptions to an absolute minimum. Now, SRE is not just about fixing and maintaining systems, but also about building resilient systems that can handle the unexpected, grow without friction, and meet business goals. Microsoft emphasizes the importance of SRE in their service delivery philosophy. So, what does a day in the Microsoft SRE's life look like? First things first, an SRE team works cross-functionally with a software development team to identify performance improvements, build automation, and monitor the systems continually. It's all about collaboration and building systems that self-heal when things go south unexpectedly. One of SRE's first principles is failing awesomely. It's about embracing that things will fail, and instead of being afraid of failure, being prepared for it. It includes creating incident and problem management processes and learning from every incident or failure to prevent a recurrence. Another essential principle is you can't build trust faster than honestly. Being honest and open with internal and external stakeholders about the system's status and issues builds a solid foundation of trust. Next, make decisions using the right metrics. As senior cloud architects, our job is to not just react to incidents, but to make the right decisions beforehand, ensuring stable and secure systems. Understanding the application's performance, reliability, and other metrics helps in prioritizing the efforts and driving informed decisions. Take action is the next principle, which empowers all team members, not just engineers, but operators, business stakeholders to step in and take action when an incident occurs. One more principle is culture matters, build one with the people. As senior cloud architects, we work with our engineering and operations teams to establish a culture of collaboration, innovation, and fearlessness in tackling issues. The idea is to create an environment where people are empowered to solve problems, not afraid. Finally, build with the least weighted options stands for building robust and redundant systems, ensuring the least amount of load gets to the bare minimum, which could cause a failure. It involves building a system with no single point of failure and using the best architecture to withstand unexpected challenges. At Microsoft, implementation of SRE principles follows a systematic approach, DevOps and cloud, which includes setting up infrastructure as code practices for consistent environments, continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines, and frequent and early testing of infrastructure. They rely heavily on cloud tools like Stack Haskell to monitor services, automate responses to alerts, and manage infrastructure. SRE at Microsoft uses Azure Event Grid for event-driven architecture, Azure Cognitive Search for search features, Azure Service Bus for communication between services, and Azure Log Analytics for log management. One unique model employed is the service ticketing system, where tickets for incidents are auto-generated, triaged, and assigned to teams, enhancing the efficiency of resolution. Additionally, There's the 96-hour SLA goal, where Microsoft aims to have issues where business is impacted fixed within 96 hours of reporting. Apart from technical aspects, SRE at Microsoft also emphasizes on soft skills like communication, empathy, and problem solving, which makes a significant difference in incident resolution and fostering a collaborative work culture. Now, remember, every company differs in its approach to SRE, so while implementing SRE principles at Microsoft, feel free to adapt it to your context. Keep learning, improving, and building systems that not only meet demand but also exceed expectations. By now, I hope you've got a wholesome view of SRE at Microsoft. But I understand that learning about new concepts can be done without some resources. Here's the link where you can dive deeper into SRE at Microsoft and get certified by Microsoft. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. Until next time, happy engineering. Ensuring the reliability of systems is an ongoing learning process, and the implementation of SRE principles at Microsoft stands as a testament to that approach. Happy learning until next time.